The information in this video is for informational purposes only and was produced for a class project. The creator is not a medical professional. The student, faculty, and university do not guarantee the accuracy nor reliability of the content, nor should it be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you have questions about possible medical condition, please contact your physician or qualified health provider. Never delay seeking treatment nor disregard the advice of a medical professional due to information you receive in this video. Yoga originated over 5,000 years ago in ancient India. The term yoga translates to union in Sanskrit language. Yoga made its way to the Western world in the late 19th century. The popularity of practicing yoga has been on the rise for many years now. Everyone enjoys the relaxing sensations that the mindful poses give us afterwards. The stress reduction is a major known part of the practice, but how does practicing yoga affect our physical health and longevity? Many individuals would say that yoga barely qualifies as an exercise, but the beauty of doing the asanas is that you can make it as challenging or as relaxing as you'd like. The key is listening to your body and allowing the energy to flow. Yoga has been found to increase flexibility, muscular strength, and balance, but it also improves our physical function by increasing connections in our nervous system and by detoxifying our body. This health-related physical activity helps our bodily systems function on point. It can reverse disease and heal physical ailments, and it increases our quality and quantity of life. A journal article from the Biodiversity Data Journal explains a study that found regular practice of yoga can be an important intervention for primary and secondary prevention of diseases in civilization. This study supports yoga being a type of exercise because it improves our muscular strength, flexibility, balance, and endurance. The next source, titled Phase 1 Feasibility Study of Yoga on the Physical Health and Coping of Informal Caregivers, found that after an 8-week program of yoga, they concluded that previously lower body strength increased significantly for those in the yoga group in terms of coping, upper body strength, and aerobic endurance. Another scientific evidence-based study was a randomized control trial testing if yoga could improve physical function and health-related quality of life in physically inactive older adults. The individuals had experienced symptoms or had been diagnosed with either osteoarthritis, hypertension, depression and anxiety, hypercholesterolemia, rheumatoid arthritis, asthma, dementia, osteoporosis, cancer, or cerebral vascular disease. They discovered that after the participants practiced yoga for 3 months, 95% of them had beneficial effects, including a resting heart rate that was lower, and they had increased body flexibility, and all aspects of physical function were on the rise. To summarize, you don't have to be a young, fit female to practice and benefit from yoga. Anyone and everyone, no matter their circumstance, can move their body and connect with their breath in a way that works for them. Yoga has been found to predict health outcomes. Another evidence-based, complementary, and alternative medicine research article found that yoga appears to downregulate the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis and the sympathetic nervous system response to stress, which in turn prevent diseases like obesity, diabetes, autoimmune disorders, depression, substance abuse, and cardiovascular disease. HealthFitness.com discusses 5 physical ailments yoga has been found to treat. These include joint pain, insomnia, heart rhythm disorder, high blood pressure, and breast cancer recovery. A new study from Academic OneFile on the Gale Group suggested physical and mental health parameters would improve in college students who practiced an aspect of yoga called pranayama, which is breathing. The results of university students in the experimental group that practiced certain breathing exercises for 12 weeks showed statistically significant improvement in forced expiratory volume, respiratory rate, muscular strength and flexibility, and their mental health scores were also impacted positively. I came across another interesting article that talks about the benefits of yoga, from reducing stress, anxiety, and depression to reducing inflammation and improving heart health. The same article from healthline.com speaks about yoga improving quality of life, and it says that in one study, 135 seniors were assigned to either 6 months of yoga, walking, or a control group. Practicing yoga significantly improved quality of life, as well as mood and fatigue compared to the other groups. Another way that yoga improves quality of life is that it has the potential to get us off of pharmaceutical medications. An article on yogajournal.com says, studies of people with asthma, high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, and obsessive compulsive disorder have shown that yoga helped lower their doses of medications and sometimes gets them off entirely. It seems that when your physical health is improving, then so is your quality of life. Being healthy goes hand in hand with being happy, but there is more research that supports yoga will even extend the lifespan. The University of Washington displays 12 reasons yoga helps improve the lifespan. Ones that I read that I haven't discussed in the video include improved digestion, calming the nervous system to help with sleep, regulating your adrenal glands, which lower levels of cortisol, increasing lymph and immune system function, preventing cartilage and joint breakdown, and increasing bone density and blood flow. My last source comes from a doctor named Peter Attia that explains the relationship between health span and lifespan. Health span includes body, brain, and spirit, and moving our bodies functionally improves all of these. Life interventions such as yoga can be a hack to make you live longer and live better. This inspiring article/blog is called How You Move Defines How You Live. The ancient practice of yoga clearly benefits our physical body in many ways. We can enjoy the euphoric sensations that are sent to the brain and a relaxed state of mind. When we are in a relaxed state rather than stressed, the systems in our body function properly and energy is optimal. It seems that yoga may be the perfect prescription for everyone. It can be done almost anywhere, it is low cost, and the rewards are plentiful. This evidence-based research shows that practicing yoga can heal the body of physical ailments, increase our physical functions, and extend the lifespan.